Okay, we gotta go back on our belly because we just rolled over again. Ready? Ready, big guy? Oh boy! Good job. You gonna roll over? Hey, roll over this way. Hey, come on this way. Oh, good job. Now what? Oh, you think so? Are you gonna start crawling? Huh? Oh, you gonna spit up? Well, you gotta go back. You gotta go back. Or you just drool. Yeah? You gonna go back? Come on, come back. Hey. Come back this way. But get this cat hair off of you. Come on back. Hey. I'm over here. You gonna come back? That's fine, you can stay on your belly. Belly time is good. Yeah, keep drooling. Gravity helps the drool come out, doesn't it? You gonna start crawling? Yeah? Start crawling. What? Man, the drool factory is going. Come on. I'm right here. Come here. Hey, big guy. Anthony. Oh, look at you. Oh, are you gonna go back over? You gonna go back over? Yeah, you got here. You gotta put yourself back over. Go on. Come on. You got this far, you gotta go back over. Go on. No, you're not gonna make it over. Wow. Huh? Roll him back over. He got over. Oh my goodness. You're fine. You are fine. Hey. Hey. Shh. What is this? What is that? Hey, look at this.
Welcome back, my friend. I can't believe this.
Oh, you're fine.
But you can believe this. Gillette's new Fusion Pro Glide. Turned shady and they glide. Where am I? Mullet Nation, friend.
You're fine.
Us. Gillette Fusion Pro Glide.
Are you gonna show everybody how you can suck on your toes now?
I got bangs.
Or are you concerned about the TV?
I don't think it will. I took the spark plugs out. Nice. On June 25th.
Go ahead, grab your toes.
Good to see the performance again. Oh, grody. Nothing says summer. Like making bad decisions.
Hey, the toys are over here. Anything good?
Rated PG-13 in theaters June 25th. You think you have a wife from hell? From the studio that brought you Family Guy. Comes in all new animated series.
Oh, what's that? You got that?
About hell on earth.
Okay, I guess you're just gonna watch TV then.
Only on TBS, very funny.
Alright, I'm gonna shut this off if you're just gonna watch TV. Okay. Goodbye, Anthony.
June 22nd, the new season of Hawthorne begins.
I think in season 2, the audience.
Are you gonna watch TV now?
will be at the edge of their seats.
You, on the other hand, have turned into a
Yeah? Okay. Goodbye.
We've revamped
TV.
the show.
Goodbye.
It's